All right, everyone, are we ready? We ready for BOGO week next week? It's going to be exciting. It's going to be a big week with BOGOs. So I always really enjoy this because we can educate on oils that maybe you might not use. Hopefully, a lot of the BOGO oils, we always tell corporate, please use oils and put oils out there that they don't have a lot of, versus the top 10. Although sometimes we want to replace the top 10. Like right now, we kind of hope we're on guard because we need it. But we also want to educate on oils that maybe you don't have and that you can add to your collection. So we don't know. Nobody knows what it's going to be. So that's why we wake up sometimes really early in the morning to see if they posted it so we can see what the BOGO is going to be for the day. So we're really, really excited. I just want to show, this is our user group. So I want to make sure everyone knows how to place a BOGO order and give you a couple little strategies for it to make sure you get the most use out of it. And then we can open it kind of up for questions as well from there, okay? So I'm gonna first of all say that I think most of you know how to log into your back office, but that's how you go in and place your order. So I'm gonna actually show you how. I'm gonna share my screen right here. And so you go, everyone, I think most people on this call know, but there might be some people that watch the recording that don't. So you go to doTERRA.com right here, doTERRA.com. This is a new login screen. It wasn't always what we used. And you type in your wellness advocate number, okay, and then your password. So if you don't know that, make sure you talk to whoever enrolled you to figure out that is. You can also have trouble logging in. You can, connect there. Now for me, I don't know if for other people, sometimes it loops me back to the original system and I got to log in. I don't know if that's happening for other people, but you might have to log in twice, okay? So the best way to order is, many of you have a loyalty rewards set up already. If you do, the best way to do your BOGOs is just to keep this standing order as is and create another loyalty reward order. So you would just click on this button and you would pick the date for the loyalty rewards order. If it's not showing up, like if you can't do the 20th, you can pick any date of the month, and then you can just hit ship now at the very end. So you would create another loyalty rewards order, and then you would add the item that is, if it's buy one peppermint, get a marjoram free, you would add the peppermint, and then you would get, the marjoram would automatically add, okay? So the reason why you would want to create a loyalty rewards order is to earn points. So usually it's 2 to 3 BOGOs for you to earn points, because you need 50 PV in order to earn points to get your, to get points back. So if you're just going to do one BOGO, you can just create a one-time order if you want and just get the BOGO. So like, see on the bottom of this button here, it says create a one-time order. You could just do that. You're still going to get your wholesale price. You just won't earn points on the shipping, all the shipping back, and you won't earn points on the order. But if you get to 50 PV, which is usually 2 or 3 BOGOs, you can earn points back for that order. So if you are a loyalty rewards, if you order monthly, you are getting a percentage back, and you can look that up. I think it used to be here, but now I think it's under account profile. If you go to up here, account profile, it shows you how much you're earning back. So like for me, I've been ordering for a year, 50 PV or more, so I'm earning 30% back, whereas some people might be earning 10% back, 15% back. So whenever I make an order 50 PV or more, I earn 30% back. So it's taking a little bit while to download, but I think under account profile, you can see what percentage you're earning back. Okay, so I'm gonna stop right there before I go into the next step. Anyone on this call have any questions about how to actually go in and order the BOGO? Everyone's pretty good on that one?
I missed it. I lost you guys, but I'll
So Debbie, you can go in and create another, for you, you're gonna go in and create another loyalty rewards order. Don't do anything with your regular order. Go
for myself.
Yeah, just go in and create another loyalty rewards order for yourself.
Got it.
Right. But, you know, we kind of talked about a different thing for you. But yeah, so that's how you would go in and do it.
Okay.
If you are not a monthly orderer, you can go in and create your first loyalty rewards order if you've never done one before. I think, Sarah, I'm not sure if you're on the loyalty rewards order. You could go in and create you could create a rewards order for the first time if it's going to be 50 PV or more, and you could earn 10% back.
Okay.
So, but you don't have
Okay.
to do that. It's just like a way that you can do it. When you do that, you get like all the shipping points back. So it's $3.99 to ship. You get the whole $4 back. I think if you just do a one-time order, you get $2.50 back, like half of the shipping back.
All right.
They've made this a lot
Okay.
better. In the past, we used to have to pay like $8.99 to ship. It was like a standard fee. We didn't get any points back. We had to buy something else in our cart. So they've made it a lot simpler for us that we just have to get the BOGO. We get the shipping points back. And so you can order any way you want. What a lot of people do is they will get like a few friends that want to get the ask them, hey, the BOGOs are going on this week, and they'll text a friend, or they'll post on their Facebook page like, does anybody want to go in and get these with me today? Because you can order up to 5 per account. So it usually works out that like the PV of the 5 BOGOs is around 100 PV. So, every day, let's say you did 5 and you're earning 10% back, you're going to earn $10 back in your account every single day for free oils. Let's say you did one every day. So like a lot of people will get like 4 friends and they'll just order every single day, and then they'll have to collect the money later, or however they want to do that when they deliver the BOGOs. That's a good way to like use your account to maximize the points, because at the end of the week, like for me, if I order 5 per day, I'm going to have around, because I get 30% back, I'll have like around $150 of free oils by the end of the week. So that's the really great value of ordering through the Loyalty Rewards program. Normally with the Loyalty Rewards program, you can order whatever you want, like one thing a month if you want, just like a lemon or a wild orange. But to get points back, you have to do 15 PV or more. Okay, does that make sense? So that's a good strategy, is to ask a couple friends to say, hey, do you want in on this order today? And then they can just pay you the wholesale price or the retail price if you want to do the retail price, and they'll get the bonus free oil. If you're doing the business, I recommend, if someone doesn't have an account, to ask for the retail price. So to say, if peppermints, and on the BOGOs, they do the retail price. So let's say it's like lavender and it's $28. Buy a lavender, get a wild orange for free. We pay $21, but I would recommend doing the retail price for you. So they pay you the $28 for both of the oils, so that you get the the earnings on that oil. Okay, so that is how you go in and order the BOGOs. So either a one-time standing order is totally fine, or a Loyalty Rewards order, but I just would edit. And then every day you can edit that order. So Monday you do the BOGO order, Tuesday you log in, you just edit that order, and then you can ship it again. Okay, so you can just keep editing that order. You don't have to keep creating another LRP order. Just keep editing that order and hitting ship now. Make sure that, can you see my screen here still? Yep, okay. Make sure that you're in this BOGO group. So it's called BOGO Bonanza. So we have 319 people in here right now. And so every day I will post images of the oils. I will probably do some sort of education on the video on the oils of the day, and then I will do a giveaway. So every day there'll be a giveaway. So if you place an order, you write hey, I placed an order, and then I'll do a giveaway for that. You can add anyone you want to this, okay? Add anyone that you want to this group that obviously is within our network that's not working with somebody else. We want to be taking people from other teams, but if they're within our organization, or their prospects that are, thinking about getting the oils, the BOGO week's a really great week for them to get some oils in their hands and get some free oils. It really is to their benefit if they don't have a membership to at least get the $35 membership too. So if someone thinks they want to get the BOGOs, instead of doing retail, you might encourage them to do a $35 membership and then order the oils at wholesale all week that way too. So, or maybe one of the days they get they enroll with the kit and they get the BOGO to go with it. So if you are talking to people, if you're on the business side, make sure you're talking to them about enrolling and getting the wholesale prices, because it doesn't make sense to pay retail. But add them to this group. I'm gonna do some giveaways. We got some pretty good ones here for guesses of what the first one's going to be. A lot of On Guard. A lot of people think On Guard is going to be the first one. On Guard, Breathe. They've done On Guard and Breathe before. That's what I picked too, but I have a feeling I'm wrong now that I picked that. Some people were hopeful and they put frankincense. I don't know about that one.
Yeah.
Papaya was not going to happen either. Sorry on that. There's not enough of that right now. So we'll see what comes up for this. I'm going to do like a little giveaway, whatever the first BOGO is. I did another one that I'm going to be in a little bit. You can tag friends to add to the group. I was just trying to get more people into our group that are excited about the oil. So I'm giving away a lemon. So I'll do some fun things like that as well on this page this week. So this is just one page, BOGO Bonanza week for that. So I wanted to make sure you all knew that. I probably won't be I'll be doing a little bit on there's an oil for that page, but most of it's going to be within here because I'm not sure everybody saw it. So I'll probably just post one graphic per day like in there so they know what the BOGO is, but this is where all the giveaways and stuff's going to be.
Hey, Lisa.
Yeah.
Somewhere in there you said make sure you turn on notifications in your right top corner. I don't know what that is.
Okay, so let me see if I can find that. Notifications. Why can't I find this? Right here. You just want to hit.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. You said right top. Okay.
Okay. Sorry. Yep. So yeah. So that you know
okay.
that. So that no, because otherwise you might not get notifications. It'll be like when I post something. So then you know.
Okay. Yeah.
Good. Thanks for asking that question. So those are my big things. I just wanted to, encourage you to think about gifts for other people. BOGOs is a great time to get gifts for other people. A way for you to get the most out of it is really to set up a loyalty rewards order and get at least 50 PV so you can earn points back. And get a group of friends that might want to try some. And like I said, it's up to you if you want to do retail or wholesale price. But if you're business, I would do the retail price. Maybe if you're not doing the business, you could do wholesale price. But to really encourage that. And make sure you add them to my groups because I'll be doing all the education in there and all the giveaways. That was my main thing. And then if someone is, do you think they're going to want the BOGOs? The $35 membership is a great way. They can do the $35 membership enrollment that day, and then they can add the BOGO. So they pay the $35 membership, and then they could add whatever the BOGOs they are for that day, and that can be part of their enrollment. So that's a great way to get started. Or they could start, I've had a lot of people that enroll with a kit because it's like, okay, I'm ready, and they want the BOGO. And so they'll get the kit, and then they'll add whatever the BOGOs are for the day too. So that's a great way to get people, because really, these are great weeks. doTERRA gives us these weeks 3 times a year to kind of boost things and get things going and have some fun. But really, we don't want people just to get 5 BOGOs and then not hear from us again. We really want them to get integrated into what we're doing and be part of our community and educate them and help them and be part of our family. So while it's fun and we get a lot of free things, we want to make sure that we're really getting people. The idea is to hold on to them and get them into our groups. So what else? Any questions or any leaders? I know I've got a lot of my leaders on this team too that have been kind of working on this. Anything you want to add? Or questions?
You might want to just clarify that each deal is only available that day. You can't get it Monday's deal, you can't get on Tuesday.
Right. Thank you, Laura. So as Laura says, the deal is good until 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So that's always 2 a.m. our time. So we always have a couple extra hours. But yeah, so it's only for that day. And if you don't get that deal, you will not get the other day. So we really want to make sure you get in on it. And it's funny because before BOGOs have blown up the system and you can't get in, but they've really done a lot of work on IT that hopefully that won't happen. We're never ever sure. And they are saying that they have enough material and enough whatever they're making the BOGOs, they're not going to run out, but you just never know with doTERRA because people go crazy. doTERRA people are crazy. We just want it all. So I'm hoping they won't run out, but if you want to get the BOGO, you want to place the order early. And IT has really gotten a lot better for making making your orders. Or might have the little wait system, like a couple minutes to get in and actually do your order, but it should be pretty good. I know the one with like, I think it was On Guard and Lavender. That one was crazy. And like the pedal diffuser was another crazy one. So, but they should, I don't think they're going to run out of the ones, but I can't make 100% promise on that.
Hey, Lisa, did you say whether or not we need to have something else in our cart too, or is it just the BOGO?
Yeah, no, we don't. So I know that's been the past. In the past, we've had something in our cart, which is awesome. We don't have to have anything in our cart other than the BOGO.
Okay.
And do you remember back in the day when we had to pay to ship every single one and didn't get points back?
Oh,
We
yeah.
don't have to do that either. So that's the great thing is whether you do a standard order, it's just $3.99, or you know, if it's $3.99, but you get half the shipping back. If you do the LRP, you get the full thing back. So that's awesome. Other things you might want to add, or leaders you want to add, or any questions you might have. I just want to make sure everyone knows. I mean, I think most people know how to log in, but some people haven't logged in and never made an order before. So you go to doterra.com, make sure you have a username and your password. If you can't get it, make sure you reach out to your enroller. You can. There's also a place on there to say, I can't remember my password, and you can log in and get that. Make the standard order, or do not mess with most of you on here have a loyalty rewards order. Just keep that. Don't mess with that one. Create a new one. And you can cancel that one. You can cancel it at the end of the week. And I don't know, Laura, do you just go in and edit every single day, or do you create a new one every day? I just go in and edit it every day.
That's what I do.
So yeah, you just create the second one. You'll get all the points. You'll get everything back, but just keep your normal LRP as is, because you just want to keep that there. And you'll still earn the points. And at the end of the week, you just cancel that order. And
So you create the second LRP, Lisa, but if you only want 3 out of the 5 days, that's no big deal. You just edit the same cart and then cancel after the last day.
Yeah. Yep.
Put it on a date far enough out.
Yeah, when you make an order for November 20th, it's not gonna, it's only a one-time thing, so it's not gonna really be there, right? So Laura, like when we do that, because I usually create a new LRP for every single day, but when you go in and edit it every single day, because there's no one item in there that's sticking in there. So how does that work?
Yeah, it probably won't, because before we had to have another item.
Yeah, that's right.
That's where I'm confused. So if on Monday I want to do a BOGO and I create a new LRP, Tuesday I don't want it. Wednesday I do.
Yeah, well, there's not going to be anything there because it's just like a one-day thing. So I just think that it's going to not. You'll go in on Tuesday and kind of know, but I'm thinking it's not going to.
Okay.
It's either going to. It's not going to be there because there's nothing to repeat.
Gotcha.
Or you know what's going to happen? I remember. Sorry, guys. It's going to show the 3 peppermints.
Right.
So so if it's like for November 20th, and then it's going to show for like, and it's buy a peppermint and a Melaleuca for free. It's going to keep those 3 peppermints in your cart for the next month. So then you can go edit that or change it for,
right.
Yeah. Because like the 3 things that you do buy stay in your cart, but like the 3 free go away. So that's how that works. That's how they change that around.
Wait, were you getting 3? I'm confused.
Okay, I'm sorry. So, let's say you go in tomorrow and you say, I'm going to buy a peppermint and get a lavender for free. Okay.
Right.
So that's an LRP order. So that's like for November 20th.
Right.
Now it's going to reset for December 20th, but it's just the free item will go away. The peppermint will just be there. And that's what you're going to have to delete. That order.
Lisa, can you hear me?
Yes. Hey, Lisa.
Hi. Nice to see you for the first time ever.
Oh, I know.
Quick question. Please, if you've already covered this, I apologize. But when we go ahead and we make the order, and let's say it's buy a peppermint, get a Melaleuca free, we can order 3 peppermint and the Melaleuca will just automatically come. We don't have to put it on the order form?
Yes. Yes, correct.
Cool. Thank you.
Yep. Good question. Any other questions?
That was a real good point. You don't want to add the free one or you'll probably be paying for it.
Yeah, you will. And you'll see that like on your next screen, like you'll add them and they'll pop up on the next screen. It's different because of the new system, so I don't know exactly how it's going to show, but just don't add the item. Just put the
I
ones.
think once you show the totals or whatever, it'll pop up.
Yeah. And you can add other items. Let's say like I know I need some On Guard toothpaste because I have some people that I'm running out and I have some people that need it. You can throw those other items in there too, you know, and just get them shipped to you. So there's other things that you're still needing for this month. If you want the whale diffuser and you haven't gotten it yet, you need it. So you got to add that to your cart. The whale diffuser is great.
I saw your pictures of it. I'm just like, oh, I need one for me.
It is so cute.
For me.
It's so cute. It's totally worth it. I think it's one of my favorite diffusers. It is really cute. So maybe you might want to add that to your list for a gift or for yourself.
I'm a child at heart, so yeah, for myself.
Yeah, that's a good one, right? So really just, you know, promote this with your friends, you know, make it fun and add them to my group. So there will be some free stuff. I like to give away free stuff all the time. So we'll be doing a lot with that. And get your 5 and get your points. So at the end of the week, you'll have 150 free and oils. Now I know a lot of people, you know, you have to work out how you have people pay you. You know, some people you might just say like, hey, PayPal me the money, or hey, give me the money at the end of the 5 days. You know, however you have to kind of work that out individually because obviously doTERRA doesn't do that. But yeah, you can work that out on your own with how people pay. But usually I do 5. I usually get maybe like 10 to 12. So I'm ordering on other people's accounts because I can only order up to 5. So I might be like, hey, Mom. I don't think my mom's on this call. She said she was going to be, but she's not. Hey, Mom, can I order 5 on your account because I need more? So you have, you know, leaders, you can always order on different legs. We all kind of know how to do that to help us get to our bonuses and our ranks and all that stuff too.
That's the beauty of having my daughter and I both as wellness advocates. I mean, because I can say, oh my gosh, I want more of whatever and just order it for her.
Yep. That's great. You guys are close together too, so that helps.
Mm-hmm. Very much.
Can't wait to enroll my daughter Grace. I got to wait another 8 years. She's my next. She did dress as a doTERRA wellness advocate for career day, so I think it's coming down the pipelines.
Good for her. That's cute.
And Sarah, my other daughter did dress as a teacher, so we're good on that.
I
I saw that. Yeah.
Cute. So, well, I'm super excited, and I really appreciate all of you in this community, and I'm going to be doing more in 2018 with this as more of Zooms like this to educate you on individual products and the passion. Sarah knows was my like educational advisor, mentor, guru. You know, like education's a passion of mine, but so is natural solutions. And so I want to combine those two and do some more education and help you know more about the products and just wellness in general, not only just doTERRA, but wellness in general. So that's going to be, I think I'll be doing those calls on Monday nights in 2018 is the plan. And so highlighting a product or highlighting something with doTERRA or just wellness. So be looking for that and looking to communicate. One of the cool things about doTERRA is the connections that I've made or are making, and then the reconnecting and just sharing with everybody. So looking forward to that. But it's going to be a busy week this week.
Thanks so much, Lisa. Much appreciated.
Yep. So if you have any questions during, just please post in. There's the oil for that, and we'll be able to answer them. And leaders, get ready for a really busy week because we're going to have a lot of BOGOs coming in. So get some sleep tonight. Put your Copaiba on or your Serenity or Cedarwood and get some rest because it's going to be a long week, but it's going to be good. And happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Have a great Thanksgiving, whatever you're doing. I'm thankful for all of you. So, all right.
You too.
Thank you.
Okay, bye everybody. I'm gonna post this recording. Hopefully it'll help some people. If not, just post in the group, okay?
Okay.